In the last video, we learned about the SAFHER platform, Appian, and closed with the power of partnership. In this fourth and final video of this series, we'll talk about how you can partner in this project too, and why you getting involved is critical to SAFHER success. The SAFHER project was founded on the idea that the platform of the future ought to be centered around the needs of the programs and agencies and people that will use it. To deliver on this central idea, to make SAFHER the best system for you, we need your input.
It's important that each area and each regulating entity contribute to the development so that the result meets all our collective needs. While over 80% of those needs are common, there are differences. Each module, such as licensing and certification, inspections, product registration, sampling, or others, may have aspects that are unique to pesticide versus food safety versus fertilizer, and also one state versus another. Each state may have unique laws and regulations. To ensure that SAFHER is the best possible solution for you requires your involvement. My analogy is that if you're going on a trip, the stakeholders define the destination. Precise is driving, but we're holding the phone with the GPS and making sure we're on course. We wouldn't wait 6 hours to find out we took a wrong turn. We want to know soon and correct.
I encountered the same sentiment from everybody I've spoken to. Here is what Jonathan Adkins, a USA Plants Governing Council member and CIO for the Department of Agriculture in West Virginia, had to say.
By doing a proper analysis and including all the stakeholders and continually involving them in discussion, it's going to help with that standardization and lower the ongoing cost of our development by using a consortium. There's no better way to develop software that is truly going to change government than to be consistent in your involvement and feedback throughout the development lifecycle and the implementation lifecycle. This is our opportunity. West Virginia Department of Agriculture is fully committed to this project and to the future of government. We hope you'll join us too.
If you're asking, how can I help define the destination? How can I join too? One way is to stay on the lookout for communications from the SAFHER team. User group details are being coordinated and finalized. If you just want to stay informed, we've got you covered too. Expect emails with updates and announcements. And you can always email me at the email below. Please help us spread the word. This is our opportunity, and we hope you'll join us. Here's Louisiana's Earl Thornton with the last word.
SAFHER is the best game in town. It doesn't reflect what a vendor thinks we need. It doesn't reflect what a single state working with a single vendor has developed. It's going to be based on our collective needs. It's being designed from the ground up to provide what we all need to regulate within the agricultural and food safety arenas. It's going to be based on state-of-the-art technology that'll benefit us today and will persist into the future. It will also benefit from the best ideas from so many organizations and will continue to grow as the regulatory landscape changes over time.